Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to find hidden rows in Google Sheets. Why would you want to know how to find hidden rows in Google Sheets? Well, maybe it is your first time using Google Sheets and not sure how to find hidden rows in Google Sheets. So today I am going to show you how to find hidden rows in Google Sheets. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Finding hidden rows in Google Sheets is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for iOS and Android devices. Let me show how you will find hidden rows in Google Sheets. First of all, open Google Sheets app in your mobile phone and then select any sheets you want to edit. Now I will choose that sheet. Now here are few rows in my Google Sheets. Now if you want to find any hidden rows, then check rows and there is an option like this, and now just click on it and your hidden row number 17 has been found. Now you can find any rows by these small steps. So there you go. If you were wondering how to find hidden rows in Google Sheets, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.